Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. A happy holiday to all of you and a blessed feast of Santa Rosa de Lima. We also extend our greeting to the Dominican family as they remember this revered saint. And if you would want to pray over her image, we have one here in front, and we also prepared a venerated image of her at our cathedral facade with flower decorations. Mamaya po, makikita niyo po iyon sa inyo pong paglabas. If I may ask you one thing, what keeps you up or awake every morning or when you feel tired and or lifeless? Ano pong nagpapagising sa inyo sa gitna ng tanghaling tapat na ito kapag tinatamad na kayo at parang papatay-patay na po kayo? Siguro po ang iba, tatakbo sa kapihan para magkape. Some will eat, some will stretch out, some will get your phones, take a look at your loved ones, dance, some may even pray. We all have many ways how we can keep ourselves in upbeat mode, energetic and alive. We've heard the beautiful story in our first reading today from the book of the prophet Ezekiel. Ezekiel was led to a plain of bones. He was asked to prophesy to these bones so that these bones can have life again. But I think it was not only the words of Ezekiel that made these dead and lifeless bones alive again. The mere fact that it was God who commanded them to do so, it was Ezekiel's words that they heard. Such things made them alive. The mere fact that it was God's word and the love inside God and Ezekiel made these bones rise from their rests, rise from their graves. And if we will ask, how will life be lively and full of life? Kung papaanong mabubuhayan tayo at paro tayo makakatayo sa mga mistulang libingan sa buhay na ito, our gospel would supply the answer. Nakakabuhay kapag nagmamahal sa Diyos at nagmamahal sa kapwa. If we will love God and love our neighbor, we will lead them out of their graves. Love can be an experience of life. Love can be an experience of making others experience the color and the beauty of life once again. I'd like to address at least the couples here, mga mag-asawa, mga nagmamahalan ngayon, kahit hindi ninyo kasama ang inyong mga minamahal sa buhay, to all of us expressing I love yous and even love through those love languages. I hope that the next time we express love, let us make it a point that it is not plastic nor cheap. But as we express love, like Ezekiel, make it life-giving. Kapag nagmamahal, nagbibigay buhay. That when you offer presents, others will rise up. That when you offer loving words, others will be inspired. that when you offer a gift, others will smile. Diyan natin masasabi, ang pagmamahal ko nagbigay buhay sa iba. Kapag pinagdasal ko ang iba, kapag nagpuri ako sa Diyos, kapag dumamay ako sa ibang tao, hindi lang ako nagsasabi ng pagmamahal, kundi nagbigay buhay ako sa pagmamahal ko. When we love God and neighbor, let us make it sure that it will not only be pure expressions, but ways how we can give life to others. Mabuhayan nawa po ang iba dahil nagmamahal tayo. Sumigla at magkabuhay nawa ang bawat isa dahil nagmamahal tayo ng totoo.